10 best places to visit in Argentina. Hello, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a journey to explore the mesmerizing beauty of Argentina. From vibrant cities to serene natural wonders, Argentina has it all. Join us as we count down the top 10 best places to visit in this diverse and fascinating country. Let's dive in. Number 1. Buenos Aires. The vibrant capital of Argentina is a city that pulsates with energy and creativity. Known as the Paris of South America, Buenos Aires effortlessly blends European elegance with Latin American passion. Its tree-lined boulevards, grand architecture, and historic neighborhoods tell tales of a rich and varied past. The city is a haven for art enthusiasts, boasting numerous museums, galleries, and theaters, including the iconic Teatro Colón, one of the world's grandest opera houses. Buenos Aires is also the birthplace of tango, and its sultry rhythms echo through the streets, inviting visitors to dance their hearts out in the city's numerous milongas. Number 2. Iguazu Falls. Iguazu Falls, one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on the planet, is a mesmerizing spectacle located on the border of Argentina and Brazil. This magnificent system of waterfalls is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. The falls consist of 275 individual cascades spread over nearly 2 miles, creating a breathtaking panorama of mist, rainbows, and thundering water. At Iguazu Falls, the roaring waters of the Iguazu River plunge dramatically into a series of deep gorges, surrounded by lush rainforest teeming with diverse wildlife. The falls are best experienced from a network of walkways that wind through the forest and bring visitors tantalizingly close to the cascading water. One of the most iconic spots is the Devil's Throat, a U-shaped cascade where the water crashes down with tremendous force, creating a mesmerizing mist that blankets the entire area. The surrounding Iguazu National Park is a sanctuary for exotic birds, butterflies, and endangered species, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and photographers. Number 3. Patagonia. Patagonia, a vast and remote region at the southern tip of South America, is a land of untamed beauty and staggering contrasts. Spanning across both Argentina and Chile, this wilderness area is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Patagonia is renowned for its dramatic landscapes, featuring snow-capped peaks, glaciers, deep fjords, and crystal-clear lakes. Towering mountains, including the iconic Andes, dominate the skyline, inviting hikers and climbers to explore their challenging slopes. Among its numerous natural wonders, the Perito Moreno Glacier stands out, a colossal ice formation that seems to come alive with thunderous cracks and splashes as it advances into Lake Argentino. Wildlife thrives in Patagonia, with opportunities to spot guanacos, pumas, condors, and even elusive South Andean deer. The region's coastal areas are home to diverse marine life, including seals, sea lions, and various species of whales, making it a prime spot for marine ecotourism. Patagonia's charm isn't limited to its natural beauty. It also boasts charming towns such as El Calafate and Bariloche, where visitors can experience warm hospitality, indulge in regional cuisine, and learn about the local culture. Number 4. Mendoza. Nestled at the foothills of the majestic Andes Mountains, Mendoza is a province in Argentina celebrated globally for its exquisite wines, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. The city of Mendoza itself is a charming oasis, with tree-lined streets, inviting plazas, and a laid-back atmosphere. Visitors can explore the city's parks, enjoy traditional Argentine cuisine at local restaurants, and experience the vibrant cultural scene that includes music, dance, and art exhibitions. Beyond the city, Mendoza offers a plethora of outdoor activities set against a backdrop of stunning natural beauty. Adventure enthusiasts can embark on hikes in the nearby Andes, with opportunities to summit peaks like Cerro Aconcagua, the highest mountain outside of Asia. The region's rivers provide excellent conditions for whitewater rafting and kayaking, while the serene lakes offer a tranquil setting for fishing and boating. Number 5. Salta. Salta, located in the northwest of Argentina, is a region steeped in rich cultural heritage and natural wonders. Often referred to as Salta la Linda, Salta the Beautiful, this city and its surrounding landscapes offer a captivating blend of history, tradition, and breathtaking scenery. Salta's colonial architecture and well-preserved historical sites transport visitors back in time. The city's central plaza, Plaza 9 de Julio, is the heart of Salta and is surrounded by elegant colonial buildings, bustling cafes, and artisan markets. Beyond the city limits, Salta boasts a diverse landscape that includes colorful mountains, deep canyons, and lush valleys. The Quebrada del Humahuaca, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a striking geological formation characterized by multi-hued rock formations and traditional indigenous villages. Additionally, the Tren a los Nubes, Train to the Clouds, offers a spectacular journey through the Andes, taking passengers on a scenic ride through rugged terrain and across dizzying viaducts, providing panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Number 6. Bariloche. San Carlos de Bariloche, commonly known as Bariloche, is a picturesque city nestled in the foothills of the Andes Mountains in Argentina's Patagonia region. This enchanting destination is renowned for its stunning alpine landscapes, pristine lakes, and charming Swiss-style architecture. Bariloche is situated on the shores of the expansive Lake Nahuel Huapi, surrounded by snow-capped peaks, dense forests, and crystal-clear waters. The city serves as a gateway to numerous outdoor adventures and is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Visitors can explore the Nahuel Huapi National Park, where hiking trails lead to panoramic viewpoints, hidden waterfalls, and serene lockshores. During the winter months, Bariloche transforms into a winter wonderland, attracting skiers and snowboarders to its nearby resorts. Cerro Catedral, one of the largest and most popular ski resorts in South America, offers world-class slopes and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Another highlight of Bariloche is the Circuito Chico, a scenic route that offers panoramic views of the surrounding lakes and mountains. Along this route, visitors can stop at picturesque viewpoints, visit a historic Swiss-style chapel, and witness the natural beauty that defines the region. Number 7. El Calafate. El Calafate, a charming town located in the Argentine Patagonia, is a gateway to some of the region's most spectacular natural wonders, making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. The town is situated near the southern shores of Lake Argentino, Argentina's largest freshwater lake, and serves as the primary base for exploring the awe-inspiring Perito Moreno Glacier. This massive glacier, part of the southern Patagonian ice field, is renowned for its dramatic ice formations and vibrant blue hues. Visitors can witness the glacier's breathtaking beauty from designated viewing platforms, take boat tours to get up close, or even participate in ice trekking adventures on the glacier itself, offering a truly immersive experience in the heart of Patagonia's icy wilderness. El Calafate is not just a starting point for glacier exploration, it is also a destination in itself. The town exudes a warm and welcoming atmosphere, with cozy lodges, local restaurants, and handicraft markets offering a taste of Patagonian culture. Number 8. Córdoba. Córdoba, often referred to as the heart of Argentina, is a city and province that effortlessly combines rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. Located in the geographic center of the country, Córdoba is Argentina's second-largest city and a hub of education, art, and tradition. The city of Córdoba itself is a blend of old-world charm and modern vitality. Its historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is graced with colonial architecture, including the iconic Manzana Jesuitica, Jesuit block. This area is home to the country's oldest university, the Universidad Nacional de Córdoba, founded in 1613, giving the city a youthful and dynamic energy. Venturing beyond the city, Córdoba province is a treasure trove of natural wonders. The Sierras de Córdoba, a picturesque mountain range, provides opportunities for hiking, rock climbing, and horseback riding amidst scenic landscapes. Visitors can also explore charming towns like Villa Carlos Paz and La Cambrecita, nestled in the mountains, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. With its blend of history, culture, art, and natural beauty, Córdoba invites travelers to immerse themselves in the diverse and captivating essence of Argentina. Number 9. Ushuaia. Ushuaia, often called the end of the world, is a captivating city located at the southernmost tip of Argentina and the entire South American continent. Nestled between the Andes Mountains and the Beagle Channel, Ushuaia boasts unparalleled natural beauty, making it a unique and alluring destination for travelers. The city's dramatic setting is enhanced by snow-capped peaks, dense forests, and the icy waters of the Beagle Channel. Ushuaia serves as the gateway to Antarctica, making it a popular starting point for expeditions to the frozen continent. Visitors can embark on boat tours to explore the channel's scenic islands, inhabited by diverse wildlife, including sea lions, penguins, and numerous bird species. For adventure seekers, Ushuaia offers a range of outdoor activities, including glacier trekking, kayaking, and off-road excursions. The nearby Marshall Glacier provides an excellent setting for winter sports like skiing and snowboarding, with breathtaking views of the city and the Beagle Channel. Ushuaia's rich maritime history is celebrated at the End of the World Museum, where exhibits detail the region's indigenous peoples, early explorers, and the area's role as a penal colony. The city also houses the historic Presidio, a former prison-turned-museum, offering a glimpse into the harsh conditions faced by prisoners in the early 20th century. Number 10. Rosario. Rosario, Argentina's third-largest city, is a vibrant and culturally rich metropolis located on the eastern shore of the Paraná River. Often referred to as the cradle of the Argentine flag, due to its historical significance, Rosario offers a delightful blend of art, history, gastronomy, and lively entertainment. In addition to its cultural offerings, Rosario boasts picturesque parks and green spaces. The Parque de la Independencia is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, offering recreational activities, lakes, and beautiful gardens. The city's riverfront, known as La Florida, provides a scenic backdrop for leisurely strolls and outdoor gatherings. Rosario is famous for its gastronomy, with a diverse culinary scene that caters to all tastes. From traditional parrillas serving succulent Argentine steaks to trendy cafes offering artisanal pastries and coffee, the city's food culture is a delightful experience for food enthusiasts. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 best places to visit in Argentina. Whether you're captivated by the rhythms of tango, the wonders of nature, or the rich history of this incredible country, Argentina has something for every traveler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels!